Hey guys, it's Nature Luke here, and today guys, I found a baby turtle, and I also found a worm. There he is. So, look, I've got a worm on my hands, and a turtle. As you can see, I found two animals already.
What kind of turtle you think that is?
I think it's like a pond turtle or something. As you can see, his head is kind of poking out. And this worm, he's not doing very good. He needs some dirt. Oh, he's squiggling around. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. You need some dirt. You need some dirt. That's the problem. You need some dirt.
Nah.
Hey guys, so I set the worm free, but now we are going to build a home for the turtle.
What's another word for a home for animals?
Territory. No.
Starts
A terrarium.
starts with a H.
A habitat.
Very good. A habitat.
Okay, we're gonna build a habitat for my turtle.
What do you think a good thing for him to be? A little dirt?
Leaf. No. Yeah. Wait, lettuce. Turtles love.
I think we have some spinach inside.
Yeah, they like leaves. Stop, Max.
We got to build the bottom first, guys. He
Max,
needs some dirt in there and some pine straw,
Max,
maybe.
First, we need to do the dirt.
Yep.
Turtles need some dirt, right?
Here, won't you pick the turtle up and put him out of there, and then that way you can get big scoops of dirt.
Oh, look at him. Oh, look at his little cute face. When I picked him up first, he was like, his body was like full out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. When I first picked him up, he was like
Just
squiggling.
making sure he doesn't run away.
Yeah,
I think you could catch him.
yeah, they're really slow.
Super slow.
Yeah, these guys don't even run.
No. Can't really run, can they?
A wombat can run 40 Ks an hour.
Slow and steady wins the race.
That's
Daddy.
true.
You know what? A wombat can run 40 Ks an hour.
What?
Yep.
40K, huh?
40 Ks.
40 Ks an hour.
Yep. It's 40 K.
What does the K stand for?
Kilometers?
Very good.
Here, if we break this stick
No.
just a little bit,
We gotta sprinkle some. Oh, he's poking his head out a little bit. I set the worm free over there. He's probably dug. The worm probably dug.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not trying to find it. I'm just trying to get dirt. Why'd you put a leaf in there? Oh, he's poking his head out. Look. And
we might eat it.
that's his bathroom.
What we got going on now?
This is his bathroom.
So we've got a little habitat for him.
No, this is his bathroom. Over here is his bathroom.
Let me see. It looks like he likes it.
Yep.
Leave him alone.
Got his head out,
You need to pat it.
looking around.
You need to pat it. So it's actually
Yeah. No, it's fine.
strong.
It's fine. It's fine, Max. Oh, he's walking.
He doesn't need a
Look.
bathroom place, Luke.
Don't let him bite you.
He doesn't bite.
Oh.
No, in case he needs to go. Oh, he can just pee in the dirt. Out of here, leaf. So now what you need is little green leaves. Max, we need little green leaves.
Ooh. He's trying to escape.
Where?
He's trying to escape.
Let me see.
Oh, the turtle peed on my.
Oh no, he's on his back.
Turn him over.
Turn him over, turn him
Turn
over.
him over. Turn him over.
Woo.
Get that off of you. It's dirty. Yeah,
Wait,
some
will
leaves.
he eat it?
I
He's
don't
running
think
into it.
Yeah, just put some leaves around. What are you doing?
I'm covering it.
No. What are you doing? This is your home. This is now your home. This is now his home.
No, don't touch your face. You need to go wash our hands because turtles carry something called salmonella. Make you super sick. Let's go put him on the back porch. Max, that's good. And we'll go wash our hands, okay? All right. See ya.
This is a good terrarium.
Good terrarium. Thumbs up.